Hey
Yeah.
chat, hi, what's up?
We're outside the big W, and how romantic is this? Last game of the season.
Yeah.
At home, it's raining. The gods are crying that the Mumbai Indians are not going to play for another year.
What do you mean we made the playoff?
At Wankhede, at Wankhede.
Yeah, at the
we-
new home of cricket.
At the new home of cricket. What happened? It's okay, wipe it, bro. Wipe it. You're
Wipe
the
it.
cameraman. Wipe it. It's,
But we've just witnessed a pretty one-sided match. Mumbai easy in the clutch as always. Easily defeated Delhi Daredevils. What's their name? I don't even remember anymore.
Delhi.
Capitals.
Oh, yes, that's it. That's it. Sorry. So
But-
irrelevant.
But
right?
the Capitals had no chance, you know, like they were saying it's a do or die, make or break, and all these words they were using. But it's nothing, bro. It's in Mumbai. We own the city, we own the umpire, we own the IPL. Easy money.
We own the weather, bro.
We own the weather. We
We-
controlled it so that it only rains after the match.
Exactly. After Mumbai has secured their qualification.
Okay, now that that's done, we are heading to the Marriott.
Somewhere beyond the ceiling, so we don't really know our
we don't really
location.
know. We don't like travel like that, you know.
But don't worry, Mom, I have my passport with me. We'll cross the ceiling, exit town, go into Spurs territory.
Spurs territory in.
Andheri. Not North London, in Andheri. It's going to be a watch party. It's going to be United versus Spurs.
Europa League final, the most important game of Man United season.
Spurs shouldn't win a trophy, a European trophy, before Arsenal. That cannot happen on my watch.
So it's still a win-win for me.
It basically is a win-win for you. Over and out.
What's up, guys? We are here with the traitor number one, Bhavesh Mahale. Give him a follow. We found him, or he's found us, I guess.
Our first repeat customer. I found you. Our first repeat customer of the Mumbai Indians fan TV. Look at this traitor. He's coming a Chennai fan. This Chennai fan, look at him.
They are 10th.
They're 10th and he has
Thala
a cheek
should jump in the water.
to wear a Dhoni jersey over here.
We don't see them on points table, but otherwise we see them everywhere.
Exactly. Like mosquitoes.
But
Exactly.
seriously, you're a big Virat Kohli fan. He's retired from Test cricket. Thoughts on that? And if you have any conspiracy theories, let us know.
Conspiracy theories are there 100%. Obviously, it is the role of our coach Saab, head coach
What's his name?
Gautam Gambhir sir. So you know,
Gautam Gambhir, sir. I'll insult you with respect.
not insulting him. Basically,
And it's
he
not a
has-
conspiracy theory, it's a fact.
Yeah. So he has a style of doing things. He doesn't want different captain. He wants a different captain for each format, I guess. Rohit Sharma obviously would play as a captain, but he must have told him that you can try as a player or you can sit out one or two matches in that series in that series versus England. And maybe Rohit Sharma took it on ego and then retired. Same goes for Virat Kohli, I think.
But Virat has no ego, man. He's above all this.
No ego, but I think something else must be going on. No, like I am not sure about Virat, but definitely, as I told in the last time, as I told someone else, like when
You talk to other people other than us.
Bro.
आजो आपको भी आना है.
No. Yeah, I was saying, see, James Anderson retired at the age of 41, being a pace bowler, right? Rahul Dravid retired at the age of 39 and Sachin Tendulkar retired at the age of 40. And if we compare fitness of all those people, it's nowhere comparable. I mean, Virat is
Compared to Rohit, right?
Rohit is the fittest.
He's the fittest.
No, I'm
He's the
not talking-
healthiest. As my dadi would say, healthy लग रहा है.
अच्छा,
I mean,
अच्छा
opening batting
दिखता
के
है.
लिए तो healthy है. Opening batting के लिए तो healthy है. Yes, I agree. Just like this, impact player.
But no,
Do
so
your
the-
thing and
So the reason is, it's not fitness, it's not old age. Okay, his form has not been the best, but it is some other factor, right?
I'm not sure about other factor because he went for the the trials and all. The Ranji match also he played. Apart from that, we saw him practicing with the red ball. So definitely he was ready for the series, but I'm not sure why he retired.
Who is the next Indian Test captain according to you?
I think Shubman Gill,
No, but who would you like?
Shreyas Iyer, definitely Shreyas Iyer.
Yes.
Yeah. Because looking at
Agreed.
his current form, he was the only player. He's the only player who took Punjab into playoffs after 10-11 years.
And he took DC.
Exactly.
And he was the best player in the Champions Trophy.
Yeah, exactly.
Right.
And he took KKR, but many people give Gauti the credit for that again.
We cannot say that. Many people say it because right now Gautam Gambhir is not there and KKR did not even qualify. But I think that's not the ground. Their auction fucked up. I think definitely. Yeah.
It's raining, but we're out here still making content as usual.
Doing the work.
Very hardworking guys.
DLS.
And they have very good questions also. You know, they put you on the spot. We don't have anything to say.
DLS method, we'll get at least 4 interviews tonight. Maybe.
Over under 4.
Yeah, I was actually fearing that. You know, if it came to DLS,
Good, it's rained after the match at Mumbai.
Yeah.
Exactly.
I saw last time what happened. Mumbai almost won that match. But yeah, the last time, you know, Rahul Tewatia was there and it.
Possibility that Mumbai and RCB face each other in the final.
Yes.
What jersey will you be wearing then, and what cap will you be wearing then?
I will be wearing Team India Test jersey as a tribute to Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma.
Okay.
Diplomatic
whatever.
answer. Huh?
Whatever.
Mr. Modi. Thank you for your time. It's 12:03. Our cabbie is scamming us heavy because it's already 500 rupees on the meter from Marine Drive. But that's not the issue. It's fucking raining and pouring. I don't know
But
how we're going to get
Mumbai
to the
won.
location. But Mumbai won.
Mumbai won.
Yeah. Somebody paid off God today so that it would only rain after Mumbai won.
Nita
And then it
Ambani.
started Pope. Bro, we
Was
don't
she
name
playing?
all these names, man.
Was she there though?
Are you man? Yeah, of
she
course
got-
she was there, man.
was
Supporting the team. What a
She was
true-
praying.
She's such a good owner, bro.
She is though.
Yeah.
And her Jadia son.
After the edit, he'll be like, bro, please cut that. So,
He is
Nitish,
cut.
you're wearing a Man United jersey to a Spurs watch party.
I was tricked into
What's
this.
up with that?
I was tricked into this.
Hey, hi, what's up, chat?
3 minutes into United versus Spurs. Look at the crowd. Look at the crowd. I can't believe there's so many Spurs fans in India, in Bombay.
This is your first time with the Spurs?
First time, yeah.
I mean, they surprise me every time. This is my second time with them. I don't know where they shit out so many fans, bro.
It's fake, bro. It's fake. They're getting paid. They're getting paid to be here.
And it's a very, very special moment because tonight I'm on Tanay's team. I want United to win. Fuck Spurs.
Finally.
They should not win a European trophy before Arsenal. Fuck them. It's my duty to come here and make sure they don't win.
So does that mean it's a win-win for me?
Win-win for you. Actually win-win for you. But fuck that, bro. Spurs shouldn't win.
Bro, zoom into these fucking idiots.
Gives United a chance to
Idiots.
carried by Ahmad.
We're playing Clash of Clans. How's your clan going? अच्छा कर रहा है, bro.
Gala to get
You're not a United fan.
some effect on Spurs' possession.
Liverpool fan हो मैं. This guy's a Liverpool fan wearing a United jersey playing Clash of Clans. I don't know what universe I'm living in.
The officials
What universe are you living in, bro?
lots of holding and just under the nose of
Bro, take it off. Get out of here. एक ही जर्सी है. नहीं, फाड़ दे. निकाल दे.
I am the United fan here. He's a United fan. He's wearing what? बता. Bugs Bunny. Bugs Bunny white tee. पहना है. Spurs with the close charge.
Which jersey would you rather wear? Gun to your head tonight. Arsenal or United? Would you rather wear a United jersey or an Arsenal jersey? Gun to your head.
Tonight,
Tonight, gun to your head.
United always.
United. You don't care about winning.
Never, Arsenal never.
Gun to your head tonight. Would you wear a United jersey or an Arsenal jersey?
Tottenham jersey always.
No. That's
No reds. No reds.
Then you're dead.
No reds. Yeah, I die. I die. Dead.
You'll die over Spurs.
But I shot you before you all even won a European Championship. We won European Championship before Arsenal. Hey, fuck that, bro. That doesn't count. It counts. That doesn't count. It counts. Were you alive? No, but exactly. Even you haven't won it when you're alive.
Alive or not, he was on. He hasn't won shit.
If a tree falls in a forest and you don't even know about it, did it even happen? It didn't happen.
Tonight, would you, gun to your head, would you rather wear an Arsenal jersey or United jersey tonight?
Gun to my head.
Gun to your head.
Gun to your head. Gun to your head.
Please shoot.
Bro, tonight, gun to your head, would you rather wear a United jersey or an Arsenal jersey?
Gun to your head.
United.
United.
Yeah.
That's
You don't want to win or what?
Yeah, winning over a rivalry.
No, I wouldn't wear an Arsenal jersey regardless.
Dirty trash.
See, me.
At least he didn't say shoot like the last guy.
I mean, I don't want to ruin your podcast. Me, a little toy, an Arsenal fan on a string.
The game is not over.
The kick is fucking headed.
The game is not over.
Fucking headed. Fucking headed.
Kick
The
it
game
in.
is not over.
We have insurance, kick it in.
You're a United fan, you're losing to them. Are you mad?
Sing that. You'll never.
3 finalists. Come.
Bro, 3 finalists. You come. Let us all leave.
London is ours.
Take it.
London is ours. Fuck off back to Woolwich. North London is ours.
Woolwich.
Bro, finals only podcast karte na. Why is this dude even here, man? Like, what the hell?
Now tell me tonight, would you rather wear, gun to your head, would you rather wear an Arsenal jersey or the United jersey? Gun to your head tonight.
I would wear the United jersey.
Wow, bro, these guys are damn loyal, huh?
They'd rather lose, huh?
Yeah,
Champions.
they'd rather lose, but they don't.
If you wear the jersey, it means that you lose the Europa League final. I've added that caveat.
I think it's just for 45 more minutes. I'd rather wear the Arsenal jersey.
It's a win or hate situation.
It's a win. It's been 17 years. I would like to see my first trophy, so I would rather wear the jersey.
Fair
for
enough.
45.
Big Angelo out if he loses the UEL.
Big Ange out.
Regardless.
Yeah, he's out. Clown.
No clown. I'm not a clown.
No, not you.
You, yeah.
Big-
No, I don't know. He said I'm not a clown.
Okay, he said he. Okay,
Yeah.
you agree with it.
Yeah, I agree.
Are you Ange in or Ange out?
If he wins,
Anjan.
Yeah.
Anjan.
Even
Does
if he
it depend?
loses.
Yeah. Even if you lose Anjan.
Why? Because of
Arteta
vibes.
got more years, so I mean,
But Arteta's finishing second. This guy 16, 17. What are you saying?
Insane mentality by a Spurs fan, but I don't expect anything more from a Spurs fan. There's a Madrid fan over here, which I love to see. I don't know where.
of course,
But-
yeah.
Random sightings.
That's the only trophy you guys are winning this season. So beating Madrid.
The game is not over, buddy. Ange in or out?
I would say, regardless of result, he should leave. That is what I
Better
think.
give us good answers. Huh? That Rock Baba guy is giving away.
Yeah.
Time and money.
He should leave. He should. I think he should. I think he's going to leave. It's not even about should. I think he is going to leave, and if he doesn't, he probably should. Is what I think.
Big Ange in or out?
Ange.
Ange in.
Regardless of the result.
Regardless of the result.
These guys have already assumed that they've won. It's halftime, by the way.
They've never
Guys,
won anything.
I've actually put in a good parlay for us to win.
Oh, what's a parlay? Give us.
Mumbai Indians.
So actually the corners we've already achieved that. We've got 4+ goals is what I've imagined it to be.
It's not good.
Plus.
Yeah, because both the teams are
Bro, you
pumped
saw the
defensive.
goal that went.
Exactly why.
What is
Both the teams are pumped defensively. We'll also score an own goal. Don't worry about it. So there's 4+
Thank
goals
you.
as well.
Thank you.
There's a red card involved from Manu's end.
So how much
And-
to win? How much? What's the parlay?
I get 62% return on a 500 rupee bet, which is not bad.
Not bad.
Which is not bad. I will see you all after the match. I'm hoping it all goes my way.
I'm hoping it doesn't. But I still respect you and your father for
I love your father. Bro.
for hating you so much.
What do you think? Tottenham going to be able to hold this lead or no?
Very difficult, but we know that we have some firepower. in
You
the
guys
bench
have
as well.
championship mentality. Hat danger.
You know, we have some firepower in the bench. You guys also have, but I think we'll have an upper edge. in the Second half.
Is this looking more like a European Championship or a straight up relegation battle? Be honest.
It's like, as we like to say, battle of the mid. I'll be very honest. Battle of the mid. I'll be very honest. It's a clown fight, at least till now. But
Clown. You said clown.
Yeah,
Is
yeah.
Big Ange a clown this season? I know you got a little pissed.
No. I'm not talking about Ange. I'm talking about our season. It's been a clown season, but considering the fight that we have shown so far by both teams,
If Spurs win the Europa League, is that a more successful season than Arsenal have had this year?
for now, I mean, the champions of Europe. You'll never sing that.
Okay. If Spurs win the Europa League today, it's a big ask. Is that a better season than Arsenal?
Like, what's the debate? What am I missing? I would say it is, but like, what am I missing?
You're not missing anything. That's just your answer.
16th place.
Okay, all right.
Quality of football.
Journalists are calling your manager a clown.
So what, bro? I call Arteta cunt, but like it means
Whoa,
nothing.
whoa,
No.
whoa.
Yeah, because you're not a journalist.
I mean, journalists are cunts too, so you know.
Fair enough. We don't use the
We are
C word.
C
We
word,
respect
bro.
women.
So
Women.
yeah.
People from
Women.
Tottenham Spurs fans don't respect women.
Matt Lane hate women.
That is not fair.
If we do, is it a better season than Arsenal's? 1000% it's a better season than Arsenal. 1000%. They won nothing, we got a trophy at least. But they are playing decent football. We'll look at it in the next season. But winning is what matters, right? Winning a trophy is what matters.
It's a European final and they're giving me more attention. Look at these losers. Look at these losers. I'm here to make sure they don't win.
Fuck off back to Woolwich.
Woolwich and all World War before World War II they are going. United is attacking, huh?
Fuck off back to Woolwich. North London is
Hello.
Who are you?
Hello, behave yourself.
If you guys somehow win this game, is it a better season than Arsenal's or no?
Absolutely. North London is ours. North London is ours. Fuck off back to Woolwich. North London is ours. North London is ours. North London is ours. Fuck off back to Woolwich.
Take care.
North London is ours.
What are you doing, bro?
North London is ours.
I don't care about North London.
Woolwich. North London is ours.
They care about me more than this final. Just speaks of their aukat. Speaks of the Spurs. Speaks of the
New song.
Speaks of the
Well, I was just a little boy. My mama gave me a little toy. And I was a fan on the string. She told me to make it. Fucking did it. Yeah. Fucking did it. Yeah. Fucking did it. She told me to make it. Fucking did it. Well, I was just a little boy.
What do we think of Tottenham? Shit. What do we think of shit? Tottenham.
And I was a fan on the string. She told me to kick it. Fucking did it.
There's a European final going on.
Yes.
They care about me being here.
I think everyone hates you, not Arsenal.
Have fun, guys. Have fun, guys.
No. Tell you one second. We do.
We love you.
Drop Baba! You can run, but you can't hide.
Drog Baba's running away again. Drog Baba's running away.
Drop Baba, are you a
We do.
Spurs fan?
We love you, casuals.
What's your team?
Chelsea.
Who would you rather have win today?
Spurs.
Why? They're your London rivals, man.
I'm not from London, bro. I'm from Jaipur.
So what do you do in Bombay?
Look at these Tottenham fans. Their game has started and they're out here smoking,
Bonnet!
ruining their lungs. This United fan is doing nothing on the side. Huh? They're playing United in the final and they care more about me. Look at these guys.
One second. Exactly like a United fan,
Look, I had to remind them.
exactly like Man United, the fan is doing nothing. He's just standing here.
They scored an own goal, no? You're forgetting a very important part of the final.
That was a Tottenham fan in disguise.
This guy's the Tottenham fan today.
No chance.
Yes.
No chance.
Come on, man. We're winning this. We're winning this.
No, you're not.
Come on.
He's choking me. This is illegal. This is illegal.
We do. We love you, Tottenham. He loves Tottenham. He does. He loves Tottenham.
We do.
Bro, you all are making money off us anyway with this watch party, but like.
As long as something Tottenham makes money, we're good.
Yes. Tottenham wins today.
I
Tottenham
will
wins
never
today.
vote for
It's been a while. It's been a decade and a half. We have to see us winning a trophy.
I hope they win, man, for their sakes.
Wow, how can you
I
say
love
that?
this guy. I love this
How
guy.
can he say
They're
that?
so annoying. They're so annoying.
How can he say that?
Only after final round.
So that they just go and start watching the final.
Guys, second half starting, let's go.
Now they're coming to senses.
Yeah, because you told us now.
Now they're coming to the senses.
I can't believe that was the goal that won the Europa League final and Spurs' first trophy in 6,000 years. Harry Kane and Spurs have won a trophy this year. How does that make you feel?
Shit.
Like,
That was-
I'll feel like shit tonight, but
Forget-
you'll feel like shit for a long time.
Forget all of that, bro. You should feel shit for a long time, bro. Your club has finished 16th, 17th, and you all haven't won a trophy.
Maybe 15th.
But this is probably the worst final I've ever watched in my life. I'm actually glad that, you know, I'd much rather not win a final like this. Because that
No, I
final was
would
the
win.
most aura-less final I've ever seen in my life. The way they scored the goal, it was an own goal.
Horrendous.
And then Brennan Johnson's celebration with that dirty knee slide. He
Like,
fell on
He
himself.
didn't even score.
No aura at all. And then the second half, they just defended for their lives. United killed it. Should have probably scored. Didn't have the finisher.
Hey, bro, like,
But I much rather not win like this. I much rather not win a
I would
Champions
have
League,
won.
sorry. A European.
Tried to win all day, but like, dude, that was
fuck
the
that.
worst goal I've ever seen, I think.
Fuck that.
That was the worst goal I've ever seen.
Fuck that. Fuck that.
is the worst goal I've ever seen. I can't believe that won the fucking championship. The Europa League on that disgust. And look at these idiots celebrating, bro. I can't
Bro, they
believe
were
it.
chanting-
But if United would have won, I'd have celebrated just
But
like
they,
that.
but okay, bro, they were chanting the most absurd shit. They were chanting Sissoko's name. They were chanting Dembele's name. These guys have done nothing at the club.
I can't believe Spurs won a trophy.
They're chanting those kind of people's names, and they're like, okay, we won the trophy. I'm like, fuck that, bro. It's so cringe. I'm getting so irritated, and I'd much rather not win a trophy.
I
like
can't
this.
believe we crossed the ceiling for this. We don't cross
Fuck
the
all that.
ceiling.
We crossed the airport. We went beyond the airport without a ticket. Fuck that, bro. I don't even know where we are. I don't like this at all. I don't like it. What do you think about my take that I much rather not win?
No. You got to win all day of the week.
No, but
But
like this,
for United, I will say Amarim out.
Amarim out.
You can't lose. You can't win 3 out of 30 games and expect to be in. It doesn't matter what team you pick up, it's still Man United. Solskjaer, all these guys have picked up teams. Solskjaer, Mourinho, Louis Van Gaal, Carrick, Giggs. Name everyone after Fergie, bro. They've all picked up some trash-ass teams, but they've done better than 16th and no trophies. Ten Hag, let me give a shout out to that Baldy. He still won last year when it counted. He beat City, bro. He beat City in a FA Cup final.
Ten Hag back.
Bring him back, bro.
Moyes
Don't
back.
bring him back.
Moyes back. Fuck Ten Hag. Moyes back.
No one's back, bro. We need to get someone new and improved. I heard Ancelotti is going to Brazil. Fuck Brazil, bro. Come to the Prem.
Bro, he's going to Brazil to
Avoid.
escape all his tax allegations, but
Bro, I heard the taxes in England are very low.
fuck all that. Fuck all that. Fuck United for losing
And then
to
fuck
Tottenham.
You, bro. Fuck you, bro. You panotied us.
Okay, all the Tottenham fans are leaving now. I want to
We'll also
fucking
leave.
leave.
We'll also leave.
And we should bounce. I don't want to talk to anybody. Good night. Shubh Ratri.